Hello everyone, I'm Kyle Kelly from Notable. Today I'm excited to present a quick demonstration of the Notable ChatGPT plugin. Notable is a literate computing platform built upon Jupyter, and we are thrilled to integrate interactive computing with OpenAI's GPT models. We've been doing it in open source and at our companies that we worked at before, and we're really excited to bring this to our multi-user model of working with notebooks. Bringing ChatGPT into the computational conversation really amps up anyone doing data analysis. In this scenario, a user is already authenticated with Notable and provides a description of their desired notebook content, specifying the data they wish to work with and how they want to visualize it. ChatGPT then executes code, analyzes data frames, and determines the best way to visualize the data. When ChatGPT runs cells, we send it back a portion of the outputs. This enables the model to infer which columns are available. So in this example, ChatGPT analyzed a Berkeley Open dataset of restaurant inspections and intelligently identified that it can plot the number of violations. As you can see here, one of the impressive features of ChatGPT is its ability to recover gracefully from errors. If an error occurs, it tries again and successfully proceeds. Upon completion, ChatGPT provides a link to the notebook it has been working on. So we're really incredibly excited about the potential of this integration and eagerly anticipate using it extensively in our workflows. Thank you.